Welcome to today's video on calculating relative atomic masses. Now, in today's video, we've been given isotopes of copper and their relative abundance. Now, we are asked to find the relative atomic mass of copper based on this isotopic information that we have. Now, to get the relative atomic mass of copper, this is what I'll ask you to do. Change the percentage you were given to decimal. So this gives us 0.69 and this gives us 0.31. Now I pick the mass number of the first isotope, that's 63, multiplied by 0.69, add it to the mass number of the second isotope multiplied by its abundance, which is 0.31. So if I add this together, if we do 63 multiplied by 0.69, that is 63 multiplied by 0.69, we will get 43.47. And if we do 65 multiplied by 0.31, we get 20.15. So to one decimal, by the time we add this, we're going to be getting 63.62. So, but the question asks us to leave our answer in one decimal place. And that means that the relative atomic mass of copper will be 63.6. And that is how you calculate relative atomic mass of elements when you are given their isotopic abundance. See you on the next one. Thank you.